Okay, we're back in session in calls number 330376. Case in South State of Texas versus Jamal Anthony Joseph. Mr. Joseph previously entered a plea of no contest to these charges of assault, family violence. Mr. Jamal Anthony Joseph acknowledged that his initials and signature was on misdemeanor plea admonishments, which is exhibit number 1, and Mr. Jamal Anthony Joseph has placed his initials on a paragraph that is titled waiver of record, and is also in state's exhibit number 1 that was written in by the court. Also, Mr. Jamal Anthony Joseph acknowledged that his signature was on the trial court certification to defendant's right of appeal, and he understood that the box that was checked that said this is not a plea bargain case and he has a right to an appeal. And Mr. Jamal Anthony Joseph, you have also acknowledged that you signed a document on paper that was titled discovery certification. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, prior to signing and initialing all of these documents that I've just mentioned, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you read and understand everything in these documents?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Okay. State, I have before me state's exhibit number 1, the misdemeanor plea admonishment. State, you also like to offer state's exhibit number 2, the probable cause affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, any objections, Mr. Adams?
Yes, hearsay within hearsay, right to confront.
Okay, so you're objecting to the PC affidavit?
Yes, it contains hearsay
Okay,
and right to confront. This is not an agreed plea.
okay,
So hearsay, and on the Crawford, I got a right to confront any officer in that affidavit.
okay, hold on a minute. Okay, what the court is going to do, at this time, the court is going to grant that motion. However, the court is going to reset this case at this time. So the court is not going to go forward on this here, on this plea today.
Any reason why?
And yeah, we're going to reset it so we can get witnesses in here so that we can, so the court can get a full understanding of the facts, as in this case, if the defendant wants the court to assess punishment, one of the things that the court has to know about, be aware of the facts in this case. That is one of the things that the court has to do besides criminal history, as well as some of the other things that we can, other factors that the court has to consider prior to assessing punishment. So at this time, what the court is going to do, the court is going to, I'm gonna reset this case for a PSI. Okay,
All right.
okay, so this case is gonna be reset.
So we're gonna have a PSI and we're gonna have live witnesses both?
Well, I may be able to get the information from the PSI. So I'll reset it for a PSI prior to the court assessing punishment in this case, okay?
All right.
All right, we're gonna reset this case. Give us reset it for PSI.
That's it.
Now that,
They're gonna reset it. So yeah, so you'll be fine.
it's